just a little warning, our next story involves recounting a fairly gruesome attack. It was an attack that happened in Temple Bar. A man struck in the face with an e-scooter while lying unconscious in Temple Bar, now fighting for his life in hospital.
So what we know at this stage, and that Garda investigation is continuing, that in the early hours of Wednesday morning on Cope Street in Temple Bar, a man who has not yet been identified was subjected to a violent assault. Now, 2 men are believed to have been involved. CCTV footage has been secured and shows that attack. And he was punched and beaten to the ground. He was kicked in the head a number of times. And effectively, while he was unconscious on the floor and motionless, his e-scooter was picked up and rammed into his head a number of times. Now, the 2 men involved left, but one of them returned a short time later. And that CCTV footage also shows them putting the man in some sort of maneuver while he was on the ground and effectively snapping his arm and causing a suspected broken arm. Again, all while he was motionless on the floor and defenceless. Now, he was taken to St James's Hospital initially, but due to the severity of his injuries, he's been transferred to Beaumont Hospital, where he remains in a critical condition and is fighting for his life. Now, no arrests have yet been made, but Gardaí are certainly very anxious to identify the 2 suspects and arrest them for questioning. And unusually, I suppose, they haven't yet been able to identify the victim in this case due to the severity of injuries and because he had no identification on him. So efforts have been made to not just identify the suspect, but also to confirm the victim's identity and to inform his family what happened. You know, the hope is also to try to identify the man. He had a tattoo, Gardaí say, has a tattoo on the inside of his right forearm. It's described as a blue and white flag, the words Ceol, Beatha, meaning music is life. And they're hoping that, you know, people who know him or his family will hear that, will see that, and they can make contact with Gardaí in an effort to confirming his identity.